Absolutely stunning had a floor plan in popular Longleaf. House is in mint condition. Home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with oversized great room, large kitchen, breakfast nook, dining room, and screen porch. May 2019. The interior of the home was painted, new vinyl plank flooring, does not get wet and buckle, new countertops in kitchen and both bathrooms do include new sinks and faucets, 5 new smoke and carbon alarms, new blind in kitchen, and new toilets in both bathrooms. 2 to 3 years new carpet in bedrooms, dishwasher, disposal, screen porch, and 11 by 13 paver patio added this year. Large master suite and luxury bathroom to include is her vanities, walk-in shower, garden tub, and is her closets. Fabulous open kitchen with lots of counter space and cabinets. Roomy breakfast nook off kitchen. Dining room could also be used as a study or formal living room. Enjoy the breeze from screen porch as you grill off patio or watch the kids play in fenced backyard. Community offers walk-in pool, kiddie splash pad, fitness gym, clubhouse, tennis courts, playground, basketball court, and green space. Front yard maintenance include too.